Hello students, welcome to my channel Study with Prabin sir. Today we will solve some previous year questions of SSC on chapter Ratio and Proportion. These questions are frequently coming on SSC exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GD. So let's get started. Now question number 1. If A is to B is equal to 7 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 15 is to 7, then what is A is to C? Now here A is to B means A by B. So A by B is equal to 7 by 9 and B by C is equal to B by C is equal to 15 by 7. So this implies A by B into B by C is equal to 7 by 9 into 15 by 7. So this is the first line. So here we should not write imply symbol. Now this B cancels this B and this 7 cancels this 7. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So this implies A by C is equal to 5 by 3. That means A is to C is equal to 5 is to 3. That means here option 1 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 2. If P is to Q is equal to R is to S is equal to T is to U is equal to 2 is to 3, then MP plus NR plus OT is to MQ plus NS plus OU is equal to dash. Now here it is given P by Q is equal to R by S is equal to T by U, that is equal to 2 by 3. Now here, so this implies MP by MQ is equal to NR by NS is equal to OT by OU is equal to 2 by 3. That means if some ratios are equal, then addition of their numerators divided by addition of their denominators are also the same value. That means here addition of numerators MP plus NR plus OT divided by additions of denominator, that is MQ plus NS plus OU, then it should be equal to 2 by 3. That means here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question. The fourth proportional to 0.12, 0.21, 8 is dash. Now here we have numbers 0.12 is to 0.21, 2 1 double is to 8 is to x. So this implies here product of extreme terms is equal to product of min terms. These are the extreme terms, product of extreme terms. That means 0.12 into x is equal to product of min terms. These are the min terms. 0.21 into 8. So this implies x is equal to 0.21 into 8 divided by 0.12. As here after decimal point 2 digits are there, and here also after decimal point 2 digits are there. That means we have to remove these decimal points, because in both the numerator and in denominator after decimal point there are 2 digits. So here 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 3 7s are 21. So 7 into 2, that is equal to 14. So here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question. That is question number 4. The ratio 2 to the power 1.5 is to 2 to the power 0.5 is same as here. That means it is given that 2 to the power 1.5 is to 2 to the power 0.5. Now the above can be written as 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 0.5. As we know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So here then is to 2 to the power 0.5. Now here this 2 to the power 0.5 and this 2 to the power 0.5 cancels. So here 2 to the power 1 is to 1. So that is equal to 2 is to 1. That means here option 1 is the right answer. Now last question of today's. Before going to solve this question, one thing I must say, that the playlist of ratio proportion, that means the link of the playlist of ratio and proportion is given in the description box, so you can check that. Question number 5. 94 is divided into two parts in such a way that the fifth part of the first and the eighth part of the second are in the ratio 3:4. The first part is dash. Now here 94 is divided into two parts. One part is x, other part is 94 minus x. Now such that fifth part of the first, that means x by 5, and the eighth part of the second, eighth part of the second means 94 minus x by 8, so that is equal to 3 by 4. Now here, after solving, we are getting it as x by 5 into 8 by 94 minus x, so that is equal to 3 by 4. So here this implies x by 94 minus x, that is equal to 3 by 4 into 5 by 8. Now here, that means in the left side we are keeping the x and 94 minus x, and in the right side we are keeping the numeral values. Now this implies x by 94 minus x is equal to 15 by 32. Then after cross multiplication, this is equal to 32x, that is equal to 94 into 15 minus 15x minus 15x. Again, this implies 32x plus 15x, that is equal to 94 into 15. So this implies 47x is equal to 94 into 15. Now this implies x is equal to 94 into 15 by 47. Now 47 2s are 94, so 2 into 15, so that is equal to 30. That means here the first part, as we are taking the first part as x, so here first x, the value of x is 30, that means the answer is 30. So here option 1 is the right answer. Students, if you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icons to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.